Yeah, she's a senior.
Georgia sandals.
Yeah, tell them why you're wearing Georgia sandals.
Lots of times ordered one. Go for it.
They're in the bag. She couldn't walk in them.
Stop. Oh.